नश्येन्नो वाग्निहोत्रादि नित्यं कर्म विनश्यति यतोऽयं वस्तु महिमा न क्वचित् प्रतिहन्यते अनुशक्तफलांशस्य नाशेऽप्यन्यो न नश्यति विद्यायामुपयुक्तत्वात् भाष्यश्लेषस्तु भाव्यश्लेषस्तु काम्यवत्.
First verse as it is, नश्येत नौवा अग्निहोत्रादि. अग्निहोत्रादि नश्येत नौवा. अग्निहोत्र आदि for नैमित्तिक कर्म. Do the result get destroyed or not? पूर्व पक्ष. नित्यम कर्म एड ज्ञानेन विनश्यति. They are nitya karmas. They get destroyed on account of what? Jnana. They can destroyed about the jnana. Nityam karma jnanena vinashyati. Why? You only told me what is the vastu mahima, akarta bodha. Because the knowledge of Atma with akarta has to destroy all the karmas. Yataha ayam vastu mahima. This is the glory of the Brahma Atma. What is the akarta Atma vastuna samarthyam? It is the glory of Atma Brahma, which is akarta samarthyam. Mahima. Na kvachit pratihanyate. It is not obstructed. It is not obstructed anywhere. It is not obstructed anywhere. This is what Pura Paksha. Siddhanta. Anushakta phalanshasya nashe api. Even though, means you have to take these two. Nitya Naimitya karmas are two types of results. One is Swarga. Says that does get destroyed. Other one is Chitta Shuddhi Pradansha, which gives the purity of the mind. That doesn't give this side because that is helpful in knowledge. That is helpful in knowledge. So therefore it says Anushakta Phalanshasya Nashe api. Anushakta Phala means the phala which is closely connected, like phala giving swarga etc. means which is bhavi, which is inevitable. Inevitable. Nashe api, even though it gets destroyed on account of who? Brahmajnana. Anyaha. Anyaha ansha is chitta shuddhi pradaha ansha. Chitta shuddhi pradaha ansha. Other part which gives a chitta shuddhi na pratihanyate. Na nashyati. Na nashyati. Why? Vidyayam upavittatva. Even though he has got Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana, he has got Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana on the strength of this Amsha where Chitta Shuddhi is there, and Chitta Shuddhi continues. Suppose he had Chitta Shuddhi, Brahma Jnana ho gaya, and suddenly Chitta became Ashuddha. He will not be able to recognize the Atma Brahma. It continues to be there. Means in moksha, this Amsha is operative. That's why it depends on the varying degrees of Chitta Shuddhi. More Chitta Shuddhi, more clarity of the knowledge. So there is a Vidyayam upetatva. Bhaveshleshaha tu kamyava. भावी अश्लेष. Bhavi Ashlesha. So what is Bhavi Ashlesha? After Bhavi, Bharati Tirtha gives Jnanat Urdhvam. Ashlesha. Ashlesha means Asamparka. Asamparka is Kameva. Kameva, just as Kamephala, it is like this. See, Bharati Tirtha, while commenting on this in Tika, says Bhavi means Jnanat Urdhvam. Jnanat Urdhvam. Now, Jnani after Jnanat Urdhvam has no Nitya Naimittika karma, because he cannot be Niyojya by any Shastra. He is not a Niyojya by Shastra. Therefore, there is no question of he is doing the Nitya Naimittika. But suppose, like Yajnavalkya, who was running a Gurukula, he was still a Grahastha, he had not taken sannyasa. If he was doing Nitya karma, that karma doesn't bind him. Ashlesha. Ashlesha means Asamparka. So here is the Bhashyakara says, this sutra is meant for Saguna Brahma Upasana, where Nitya karma vikartrutva is there, Nitya karma continues, but he says Ashlesha, because he is by the strength of knowledge, he doesn't get bound by those karmas. That way, little different presentation of this Bhavi Ashlesha Kamyavat is there. So, see, Bharati Tirtha, while commenting on this in Tika, says Bhavi means Jnanat Urdhvam. Jnanat Urdhvam. Now, Jnani after Jnanat Urdhvam has no Nitya Naimittika karma, because he cannot be Niyojya by any Shastra. He is not a Niyojya by Shastra. Therefore, there is no question of he is doing the Nitya Naimittika. But suppose, like Yajnavalkya, who was running a Gurukula, he was still a Grahastha, he had not taken sannyasa. If he was doing Nitya karma, that karma doesn't bind him. Ashlesha. Ashlesha means Asamparka. So here is the Bhashyakara says, this sutra is meant for Saguna Brahma Upasana, where Nitya karma vikartrutva is there, Nitya karma continues, but he says Ashlesha, because he is by the strength of knowledge, he doesn't get bound by those karmas. That way, little different presentation of this Bhavi Ashlesha Kamyavat is there. Sutra Agnihotra Aditu Tatkaryaya eva Taddarshana. To remove the doubt whether Agnihotra Adi gives the result or not, or are they exceptions to Agnihotra Adi? Agnihotra Adi means Nitya Naimittika Agnihotra Adi Karma Jatam. To Tatkaryaya eva. Tatkaryaya means Tasya Jnanasya Karyaya, namely Mokshaya. Tasya Jnanasya Yat Karyam Moksha. Tasmai. Tasya Jnanasya Yat Karyam Moksham. Moksha Rupam. Tasmai. How come? Kutaha Taddarshana. So this is it. We find Nitya Naimitya Adi Karma are meant for gaining Brahma Jnana. How do you say? Shruti statement is there. Taddarshana. Shruti statement is there. So what is the Shruti? Tametam Vedānuvachanena Brahmanaha Vividishanti Yajnena Dānena Tapasa Anashakati. We have seen this many times. We will come in the Bhashya also. The Shruti is there that Yajna Dhanadi are meant for gaining moksha. Caption. Moksha alone is the result of past nitya karmas of jnani. Moksha alone is the result of past nitya karmas of jnani. Next page, line 7, end of sutra. Because such question is there, doubt is there, so the answer is given by Sutrakara. Sutra. Ataha anyaha api ekesham ubayoh. एक अन्वय एकේषाम् अतः अन्यः अपि हि उभयोः not अन्यः अपि अन्या अपि अतः अन्या अपि because it amount it means kriya अन्या अपि it means kriya ekesham Sadashiv Brahmendra Giri says Kanvana. I don't know whether Chatayani Shruti is in Kanva Shakha or what, I don't know, whatever it may be. Kanvana, we are given Shakha, one Shakha. Shakha. So there is a Kanvana. Kanvanam Shakhayam in that. Ataha Agnihotradehe Anya. Other than this, other than what? Agnihotra Adi for Nitya Naimittika Karma. Nitya Naimittika Karma. So Agnihotra Adi Anya. Anya means Anya Kriya, that's why feminine. So Kriya means Prithak Bhuta. Prithak Bhuta, separate. And what is it? Swargadi Sadhana Bhuta is a means for heavens and bhogas. For it is a means for bhogas. Sadhuta, Kriyati says, what is it? Says, you have to take Brahmajnanena Nashyati iti bhavaha. Get destroyed by what? Brahmajnana. And this is consented to by both Jaimini and by Badarayana Acharya. Ubhayoho api. Ubhayoho. Ubhayoho means Jaimini Badarayana yoho. Jaimini and Badarayana, those that concur, they agree that the Kamya Karma, that is the karma other than Agnihotradi Nitya Naimittika Karma, namely Kamya Karma, which are Swargadi Phala Sadhana, so that gets what? That gets destroyed by what? Brahma Jnana. So concur who? Jaimini and Badarayana. Let us not bother now who is this Jaimini and who is this Badarayana, because I don't know, Jaimini may not accept the Brahma Jnana. Purvamimamsa Jaimini. It is not correct. Jaimini was Vyasa's disciple, but he was asked to compose sutra, not that he was not a Brahma Jnani and all that, he didn't know Brahma Jnana, but he has to present the stand of who? Purvamimamsaka. He does it faithfully. So he does it faithfully. But we are not bothered about those things. Uvayoho. This has got concurrence of both Jaimini and Badarayana. Kim Vishayam up to end of Sutra 17. So take the caption. Kamya Karma does not get connected to Jnani. Sutra 17 end. Take